The purpose of this video is to help you better communicate to patients the benefits of owning multiple pairs of eyewear for multiple reasons in their life. Successful use of this sales program is a three-step process. The first step is the introduction. Our first contact with the patient is usually through the receptionist who sets the appointment. The receptionist should ask the patient to bring all types of eyewear they currently use to the appointment: reading glasses, sunglasses, computer glasses, or sports eyewear. The introduction continues in the exam room. Through a discussion with the patient during the exam, the doctor determines which type of lenses fit the needs of the patient and are most appropriate based on their lifestyle. Determining the patient's needs and recommending and prescribing more than one pair of lenses to meet those needs provides a better quality of care for the patient. When the exam is complete, the doctor accompanies the patient to the dispensary and introduces them to the optician. The doctor explains the patient's needs and the lenses recommended and prescribed. The doctor then asks the optician to explain the features and benefits of the lenses that have been recommended and prescribed for the patient. The second step in this sales program for presenting collections of eyewear is the presentation. Before any discussion of frames begins, ask the patient to be seated so you can explain the features and benefits of the lenses recommended and prescribed by the doctor. When you focus on what the doctor has recommended and prescribed and why these lenses will be beneficial to the patient's vision, the patient will start to understand the value of owning multiple pairs of eyewear. The sales and marketing materials provided for your office include a flip chart presentation. The flip chart contains 5 collections of lenses. It is designed to help the patient understand the features and benefits of each lens type. Offering collections of eyewear helps the patient understand the benefits of owning multiple pairs best suited for their lifestyle. Collections are divided into 5 groups marked by tabs. Collections include preteen, student, modern mom, professional female, and professional male. On the flip side of each collection is a script that the optician can use to explain the features and benefits of the lenses and options that the doctor has recommended and prescribed. For example, the first page of the preteen collection tab begins with single vision polycarbonate eyewear. It contains bullet points that discuss keeping your child's vision safe. Polycarbonate material was developed by NASA. Lenses have a scratch-resistant treatment. Your child's eyes are safe behind polycarbonate lenses. On the back of the slide, what the optician sees is a script that goes into more detail about the features and benefits of the recommended and prescribed lenses. Knowing your script will help communicate to the patient the key benefits of each pair of lenses. This will help them understand how owning multiple pairs can benefit their lifestyle. Once you have concluded the presentation, the optician should ask the patient,
"What questions can I answer for you regarding the lenses the doctor has recommended and prescribed?"
Answer all questions with the statement after each being,
"What other questions do you have about the lenses the doctor has recommended and prescribed?"
Continue until all the patient's questions are answered. Then say,
"Well then, let's select the best frame for the lenses the doctor has recommended and prescribed."
Step 3 of the process is the follow-up. When the doctor has recommended and prescribed multiple pairs, and the optician has taken the time to explain all the features and benefits of each pair of lenses, you should follow up the office visit. Keeping in touch with your patient extends the message delivered in the office and can give your patient a reason to return and make additional purchases. The follow-up has 2 parts, a thank you card and a phone call. Within 48 hours after the patient has picked up their new eyewear, send a handwritten thank you card thanking the patient for the purchase. Other options are to send a thank you email or use your internal communication system. The important thing is to say thank you. A simple thank you is one of the most powerful relationship building tools you have. 2 weeks after the patient has picked up their new eyewear, a phone call is made to the patient congratulating them on their purchase, asking them how they're enjoying their new eyewear, and if they have additional questions. You would then remind the patient that you have already set up a reminder for them for their next eye exam. At this point, your conversation with the patient will depend on how many pairs of eyewear they bought, as follows. 1 pair purchased. Let them know you're glad they're enjoying their new eyewear, and remind them of the additional lenses that the doctor has recommended and prescribed. Example:
Keep in mind that the doctor also recommended and prescribed computer lenses because of the amount of time you discussed you spend on the computer, and prescription sunglasses since you spend so much time driving and outside. Remember, we're here to help with the additional information on the benefits of computer glasses and prescription sunwear and to help you with your selection.
2 pair purchased. Let them know you're glad they are enjoying their new eyewear, and then remind them of the additional lenses that the doctor has recommended and prescribed. Example:
Keep in mind that the doctor also recommended and prescribed computer lenses because of the amount of time you discussed you spend on the computer. Remember, we're here to help with the additional information on the benefits of computer glasses and to help with your selection.
The more you explain the features and benefits of lenses in these collections, the more your patient will understand the value of having multiple pairs. Your patients have different visual requirements, but they have one thing in common. They all deserve the best possible eye care and eyewear we can provide. With this multiple pair sales program, you help your patient's vision be the best it can be, and you will also increase your office revenue. The doctors of Texas State Optical, caring for the eyes of Texas since 1936.